everyone, and welcome to a quick presentation about a new piece of technology that the EOLS library system has available for you all to check out. Each branch of the EOLS library system now have Chromebooks that you can check out for 8 days. You may be wondering, what exactly is a Chromebook? A Chromebook is a laptop computer that allows you to access the internet. You can attend online interviews, read and listen to books, watch videos, listen to music, and so much more. A Chromebook is quick and easy to use, but does require Wi-Fi internet access to operate. If you do not have Wi-Fi internet access at home, each one of our EOLS branches have Wi-Fi that is available 24/7. If the library is closed or you just can't make it into the building, you're welcome to sit or park near the library to be able to access our internet no matter the time of the day or the day of the week. You may be wondering, how exactly would I attend or conduct an online interview using my Chromebook? The EOLS Chromebooks have webcams, microphones, and speakers that allow you to see, hear, and talk to other people via Zoom, Skype, Facebook, and many other online applications. And of course, this being something that the library has available for you to check out, you can read and listen to books using your Chromebook. The library has two great resources to read and listen to books, Hoopla Digital and Overdrive. Both websites have fiction and nonfiction books for you to check out. Some of our nonfiction books even have interviewing tips. They can help you brush up on your math and science skills and even help you learn another language. Plus, you can access websites like Project Gutenberg, Open Library, and many more. You can watch videos with your Chromebook as well. The library's resource, Hoopla Digital, has thousands of popular and educational movies and TV shows that you can check out for free. You can also access YouTube and free and paid streaming services such as Tubi and Netflix. You can even listen to music with your Chromebook. The library has two resources where you can listen to lots of music for free and with no ads, Freegal Music and Hoopla Digital. You can stream albums or even single songs using these resources. They have everything from classical music to contemporary pop, rock, and country artists. New music is released every Friday, so be sure to check back weekly to see what new albums have dropped. You can also access other websites like Spotify and Bandcamp. You can do research with your Chromebook. The library has several great resources to help with genealogy research, finding articles from local and national newspapers, and even scholarly journals through EBSCOhost. You can also access websites like Google Scholar for more articles. And last but certainly not least, you can access online training with your Chromebooks. The library has two great resources for online training, Learning Express and Universal Class. With Universal Class, you'll be able to take courses that will grant you CEUs that may be helpful with your work. You'll also be able to print off certificate of completions for your classes that you can attach to any resume when applying for a new job. On Learning Express, you can also take practice tests for exams like the ACT and SAT. There are also practice workplace exams that you can take as well. You can also check out other free class websites like Coursera, edX, and Allison. If you have any questions or need clarifications on exactly how to use your Chromebook, be sure to visit your local EOLS branch. You can also visit eols.org/locations to find the contact info for your local branch. I hope you will have a great day, and be sure to visit your library to check out a Chromebook today. Thank you.